Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Greg Tardif, and I've got some tips on how to grow a mustache for real this time. This is Lil Miller. He's been growing his mustache for 2 weeks. See, he shaved everything off. He looks like a goofball. I made a video a few months back. That was kind of a joke, more of a funny video. If you didn't laugh, I apologize. If you didn't see it, you should watch it because it's funny to me. I don't know if anybody else thought it was. But the point of that was kind of to show that there's really no like big secret to growing a mustache. There's nothing special you have to do to grow one. It just you either can or you can't. And it comes down to patience. But there are things you can do that would help, I guess, during the awkward phases of starting to grow one. So at this point, I'm like 2 weeks into growing a mustache, but it just looks like I have scruff because I haven't shaved anything else. Having a face mask and going out in public saves you a lot of that awkwardness because if you have a face mask, it covers up, where your hairs are on your face. You can kind of get away with it at that point. I guess my number one tip would be let it grow out all over at first because it won't look weird. You don't have the appearance of dirt above your lips. You just have dirt all over your face at this point. So, and usually at about 2 weeks in, I shaved my neck a few times so far at this 2 week period. I used my Norelco 1 blade to clean some of this up down here because it's kind of weird how mine grows in. It grows in real thick here, not so much here, and patchy here, and a little bit there too. So I've never committed to a beard. I only know more about how to not shave above my lip. But I'm assuming growing a beard would be very similar to me, what I'm doing at this point. So there's no big secret. You just gotta be patient. Grow all your hair at first and then clean it up, except for the stuff above your lip. If your goal is to grow a mustache, shaving this is not how you grow a mustache. That would be counterproductive. But I appreciate you watching this. I will continue adding to it. Well, I'll add more videos in the future as this comes in and this goes away with things that could be helpful to you. But if you have any specific questions, feel free to put those in the comments, or you can reach out to me on Twitter. Thank you. Have a great day.